and all their glory is like the flower. Meaning that the flower is a glory, isn't it? That's why we love. Look around. Can you see la gloire? The glory of God everywhere. Flowers have glory. But the Bible shows us that this glory fades. Beloved, you can have whatever. If Jesus is not in it, it will fade. There is one guarantee for permanent honors. His name is Jesus. His name is Jesus. I want you to take your honors and bring them to Jesus. Take your honors, bring them to Jesus, and Jesus will sustain it. Hallelujah. Any other glory without Christ will fade. And He wants to give you everlasting honor. He said of the Samaritan woman, this river, it shall flow until eternity. My name does not end on earth. There's a name written in heaven.